Today, I'll show you how to sign up in Bill.com. Whether you're looking to streamline your business's financial processes or simply want an efficient way to manage payments and invoices, Bill.com is a powerful tool that can help. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps needed to get started with your Bill.com account. Let's dive in. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Bill.com sign-up page by entering the URL bill.com/signup. It's a straightforward process, and once you're there, you'll see a form asking for some basic information. You'll want to start by entering your work email address. Make sure to use an email that you check regularly, as this will be the primary way Bill.com communicates with you. Next, it's time to create a secure password. Now, when choosing your password, it's important to ensure it's both strong and memorable. A good rule of thumb is to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Try to avoid common words or phrases, and definitely steer clear of using easily guessed information like your birth date or simple number sequences. After setting up your email and password, the next step is to fill in your business profile data. This is a crucial part of the process, as it helps Bill.com tailor its services to fit your specific business needs. Begin by entering your legal business name. It's important to ensure that this is exactly as it appears on official documents, as this will be used for any transactions or legal correspondence. Once you've done that, you'll need to specify your business type. Bill.com caters to a variety of business structures, so choose the one that best describes your company. Whether you're an LLC, a corporation, or a sole proprietor, selecting the correct business type will help ensure that you're set up with the most appropriate features and services. Finally, you'll be asked to select the industry your business operates within. This helps Bill.com tailor its features to suit the typical needs and transactions of your sector. From retail to tech, or perhaps a more niche industry, selecting the right category can optimize your experience with the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully signed up for Bill.com. Remember, if you ever need to update your profile information, you can easily do so from your account settings. With your account now active, you're ready to explore all the features Bill.com has to offer, such as managing invoices, automating payments, and much more. If at any point you encounter issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Bill.com's customer support. They're there to help ensure you have a smooth experience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy managing with Bill.com.